Hello dear colleagues, my name is Sergey Gorbachev and I am SEM product consultant. Today I would like to present a new dozer from the SEM product line, SEM832F. It is the first 40-ton dozer from the new third generation of SEM hydrostatic driven dozers. The operating weight of the machine, equipped by SU blade and single shank creeper, will be around 39.5 tons. The machine can be equipped with SU blade with a capacity of 9.6 cubic meters, S blade with capacity of 7.6 cubic meters, U-shaped blade with capacity of 12.9 cubic meters, and a blade for waste handling application with a capacity of 18.6 cubic meters. The machine is equipped by SU blade and the single shank creeper. Let's take a look closer at this machine. So the SU blade has a box structure design which provides a great durability. Its closer location to the machine nose will offer better maneuverability and provide an opportunity to place the hydraulic cylinder almost vertically, which creates more penetration force on cutting edge. On the top of the hydraulic cylinder you can see a quick drop valve. This quick drop valve helps to clean the blade from the sticky material during the application. This system allows to maintain high productivity level. The blade is connected to the machine through L-shaped push arms. These arms have a robust structure and can easily resist diagonal forces. Additionally, on the side of arms, you can see steel plates, which are supposed to increase the lifetime of the arms even during the heavy-duty application. Push arms connected with the main frame of the machine and fully isolated from the final drives. It means that the final drives will have a longer life and better reliability. The new tubular roller frame design prevents material from accumulating on the top of the frame. Rollers are not maintainable, meaning that the operator doesn't need to grease them during the entire period of usage. For SEM832F, we have only one design of the roller frame for now, but there are three options of the track shoes for different types of the application. In standard configuration, all machines will be equipped by salted and lubricated track chains. It means that the lifetime of these track chains will be twice longer comparing with GLT track chains. As an option, the machine can be equipped by a single shank fixed angle ripper mounted on a parallel frame. The parallel frame was designed for better ripper penetration and for the more efficient ripping application. SEM832F is a hydrostatic bulldozer with the hydrostatic components from European premium class supplier. With the hydrostatic transmission, it's easy to use and maintain the transmission. The machine doesn't have any clutches and service brakes, and the hydraulic tank combined with the hydrostatic tank to decrease maintenance cost. The hydrostatic transmission, in combination with 339 horsepower T3 engine from Perkins, provide incredible efficiency and extremely low fuel consumption. The only maintenance that the customer needs to do for the hydrostatic transmission is oil replacement every 2000 hours. As I said previously, there are no clutches and no brakes for maintenance and replacement. The on-demand cooling fan system with reverse system helps to reduce fuel consumption and keep cooling system performance always at maximum efficiency. Due to highly efficient cooling system, the machine easily can operate even at the ambient temperature of plus 50 degrees Celsius. To operate the machine, we have only one joystick for the hydrostatic system, one joystick to control the blade, and one small lever to operate the ripper. The machine is very easy to operate. The operator can operate the machine from the first seconds of use. That concludes the overview of the SEM832F. For further information, please visit our official website semmachinery.com or contact your local dealer.